Hey Internet! Welcome back to the Moxi Roller Skates YouTube channel. I'm Dita, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Y4. Y4? Because I said so! Alright, are you ready to dive into the Y4? Y4? Tools that you need while you're out in a skate park or doing any sort of maintenance on your skate. You will need a 1/2-inch socket. This works on all of your wheel nuts. You will also need a larger one, either a 9/16 or an 11/16, depending on your kingpin size to adjust your bushings. You will also need, depending on your toe stop, a 5mm Allen key. Carry all these? Y4! When you can just get a Y4. So let's open this bad boy up. This is great for all the PowerDyne plates. This encompasses everything you need to work on your skates, minus the mounting bolt tool, but that's hardly ever coming into play when you're not at your home situation or you're doing mounting, so you very rarely are gonna need that. So essentially the Y4 can take care of you and both your friends' kingpins. The Y4 has the 1/2-inch for your wheel nuts. It also has the 11/16, which happens to be my size. So the only reason I'd carry this removable 9/16 is for my friends, because that one's too small for my kingpin, but will work on other PowerDyne plates. Sneakily, they've hidden your Allen key right here on the end, which is also where that removable 11/16 will live. This Moxi Roller Skates YouTube video is brought to you by Y4. All 4 skate tools you need for the skate park in one place. Thank you for watching Moxi Roller Skates YouTube. I'm Dita. If you liked this, find it useful, or want to know more about Y4s, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again later.